Hey, this will be a video chart on VLNX. This is the new big promotion play out there. One of those that did just an insane amount of volume today and had pretty much everybody talking about it. And this is day one, so what we're looking at here is a 15-minute chart. Literally on the daily chart, I'll pull that up real quick. You can see that first day of volume, so it's literally as fresh can get. So in order to be able to pull out some data from the chart, I figured the 15-minute time frame does the best of doing that. So just map out some supports, resistance levels. Again, this is the promotion by the people that did SNPK, NRSS. I don't even know what they are, but POTG off the top of my head. So these ones have the ability to move very big, but at the same time, when they do start to fall apart, they fall apart pretty quickly. So I'm just going to map out the support levels and so forth that I'll be looking at, and then go over some resistance levels too, so that way we can kind of monitor what's going on with the play to the best of our ability. So starting off with supports, the first one that sticks out is right here at the 30-cent level. If you're watching the action in the latter part of the day, you saw the price go down there, and it looked like 30s might have failed, but there's definitely some solid support down there. So 30 cents is the first level of support to keep an eye on. After that, the next level I'll be watching is going to be right around this level here. And that is simply from looking at where these kind of lows were. Yeah, I know that one dropped below there, but then you had a couple that were right around here. So I'm just kind of find a common ground there. And this supports at what we'll call just 26 cents. So we'll get this changed again. I'm going to make that a little thicker because in my mind that's a pretty important level. With a break of 26, you can see that really the next, technically the next support isn't until all the way down here below 15 cents. So if the price were to come down here and fall below 26, I'm not saying it's going to drop all the way below 15 cents, but I'd expect a much deeper pullback here. So use these two levels to monitor kind of the strength of the chart on any sort of pullback. Now, in order to monitor the strength of any sort of upward or upside moves, the level that's sticking out, I should say the initial level, is going to be right here at 33 cents. Get that changed to red and then point out where it comes from. But if we look back here through the history of the chart, you can see that here it knocked down the price a couple of times, and then when the price did get above it, pulled back here, found support, then made a nice move up off that move, and then came down here, and once it fell below it again, struggling to get back above it. So 33 cents is going to be the initial level of resistance. Then I'd keep an eye right here on this level being at, we'll just call it 36.5 cents. So that'd be another level of resistance. And then after that, when we just simply have the previous high from up here at 39.5 cents. So that will be the next level. And after that, it's back in the blue sky since there's no other data to use. So that's where the chart stands right now. Again, use the support levels to monitor the pullback strength, and use the resistances to monitor any sort of upwards movement strength. So if you do have any other questions on it, let me know. But again, this was VLNX, the 15-minute chart. If there are any other questions, shoot me a message. Also, check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setup, strat ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the chart and what your strategy is going forward. One more time, this was VLNX. Thanks for listening.